Hello everyone and welcome to this weekly forex forecast with Eivindfx here on YouTube. Let's go through some dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, silver, stock market, Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dow Jones. We're going to go through the 10-year T-note. We're going to go through some fundamentals, not really much, but we're still going to update our fundamental buys, keep that up to date, all that. So I posted throughout the weekend daily weekday setup meetings at 21 GMT plus 2. I guess that is somewhere around 6. That is around, is it 2 or 3 4 p.m. New York time. Not too sure at the moment, but around 3:30. I think it's around 3:30 New York time. Those recordings will be recorded, so those means will be recorded, published at around 22 GMT plus 2, and it will be available in this, behind this paywall here. It is $30 a month, just for those who want to join in there. It is already available for the mentorship students, and I'm going to be better at it, and I'm really gonna crush that right now. So if we go into the back end, just for those who is interested to see how it is back there, preview, probably yes. So it is going to be how to join the meeting. That is, you click on that link there, no, that is lecture there, and then every video is going to be with the behind here, uploaded at around 11 p.m. every single day that we have a meeting. But other than that, good. So if you are new here, very much welcome. I'm not here to tell you anything. I'm here to help you out as becoming a better forex trader. That is the reason for why I'm here. I was live with the membership, YouTube membership members 2 hours ago. Denise was there. I'm just wondering how that was. But I had the best. Josh says, I have the best question. I hope you are well, my friend. But yeah, I'm not going to talk about my sickness today. It has been an absolute terrible day today. But cheers, I'm alive. Cheers, I'm alive. Yeah, so I went through the markets in my head at least before I went live. So I hope that we are going to get going right now, so I don't need to keep you guys waiting. If I'm slow today, I'm sorry if I'm slow, but I hope that you at least see between through that, or go back and watch live in the back end and then just go through it, and if this takes you too long. Anyways, sorry if I'm too exhausted. I am exhausted. I am not well today. I am sorry. So I will just continue to it. For this week, we have PMIs on Friday. We have some CPI during the week of UK and Canada. And we have some China gross products over the weekend. And over the Monday, sorry. And also some consumer price of New Zealand. Q3. I want to give you the most important filters. But you have to go here and click medium as well. That's also important. I only showed you the most important ones because that was easiest for this live. But there we go. That is click away. There you have the institutional research. Most research, generally speaking, looks to dollar strength. Most research is pointing out all the risks in the market. But also research shows that stock market, generally speaking, Q4, which we are in now, is the best performing month of the year. Best performing Q of the year. Just having that there out there for you. The other thing that is up with this retail trader sentiment is that we have pretty aggressive selling on the yen pairs of retail traders. I wouldn't sell it. So We're going to go through the yen pairs, we're going to go through the dollar pairs, but also dollar pairs are, generally speaking, not really a good direction. Here we have a lot of buys on euro for whatever reason that is, I don't know. But there we go. Okay, then I was supposed to publish this on my Facebook thing. I didn't do it, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to go say... Then I'm going to say... Going live now. Ish. That is the quickest thing I can ever do. Anyways, yes, I do have a YouTube Facebook channel, but not really much there. Yeah, that is not supposed to be something we're supposed to go through today. My small research shows that we might have a top on euro at around 14th to 21st. Might be the top on euro. Wondering, hey? Where are we right now? 17th, 18th, 21st is on Thursday. So, yeah, maybe. Other than that, I'm just taking away all the things that you shouldn't know about. But at least now you're getting a small glimpse, a very fast glimpse on that. Anyways, what is right now on the 10-year T-note? That means if it's rising, if the yield is rising, that means risk off. No, sorry. On, sorry. That is risk on. That is selling bonds. And this is risk off. So, and right now is risk on. Okay, cool, great. That is that one. For the dollar pair, dollar index, dollar, whatever dollar that is, we are still holding 93.80 area. We are holding this. Oops, that was wrong. We are holding this. Okie dokie. Nothing more than that. What are you looking for then? That depends what you're looking for. I'm hoping. I'm trying to play here. I know I'm hoping to see that we're going down to the target for this week and then going back up again. So a bearish week here, going down to 93.50 and then going up again. Woohoo! Other than that, I think we'll go dollar ball. But I'm saying hoping, because we have some momentum in the market at the moment, some dollar bearishness. Something small that might continue more down, but generally speaking, we have dollar bullishness. I'm not blind. I know taper is coming. It's just a short-term play, and if you failed, we fail. Okay. Josh, what's your question, mate? Hello again, Denise. Roland Party says tapering is coming. Yeah, I know. Don't worry. It is very interesting information, learned a lot. So if you have $5 a month, I think it is, extra, or 14 maybe, extra a month, and you want to learn fundamental analysis, and Denise says it was very interesting, okay, cool, then that's where you should go. I'm not giving it here. Euro New Zealand is a good time to look for buys for a reversal. We can look into that. Josh says Aussie dollar, CAD yen, and Aussie JPY seems like amazing longs right now. Question is, buy right now, wait, and risk it soaring off without us. Please feel better soon and take it away. Okay, Josh, I will look at that. I think pound Aussie setting up for a reversal. Hello, Udeke. Okay, we can go to those afterwards. First of all, right now, unless we hold this level here, we are still set to go higher. Okay, so if you're gonna play that one, you're gonna buy a higher high, higher low situation. There you can start buying again. Nasdaq, everyone is looking for Nasdaq. That is great. Okay, just going straight through the market, nothing to worry about. Hoping it come down to 14.97.8. I'm not sure it does ever, because it just goes boom. Oops, that was wrong. It just goes boom. So if that just goes boom, then I probably won't get an entry, but that's at least what you're looking for this week. But then now we have a higher high. That is great. And kicked off M2. Next is central pivot or M2, which is these prices here. And then we can go higher. Woohoo! Woohoo! Do remember that last time we tapered, we had a drop of 10%. Just have that in mind. S&P 500 is at 44.74. Another one that you're just going to look for a tape roll back to 44.26 or 44.02 and then going higher. Okay. And what's the price for this week you want to go higher to? 45.50. If that is plausible, I don't. If that's actually going to happen, I don't know. But that is what you're going to trade because you have now the bullish momentum. Congratulations. You're welcome. You are welcome. Dollar pairs. Okay. We have, I would say, against the grind and Aussie move higher. I believe that we're going to have either a pullback to 73.84 or 73.58, and then we're going to have a last hooray before we may fall down again. Okay. When is the Fed meeting? We need to have that in mind. I just need to make sure we all know. Fed meeting is 3rd of November. Have that in mind whenever you're doing your trade plans. Today, people, you're a bit silent. We only have pound yen, oil. We have dollar. We have Aussie dollar, CAD yen. Okay, cool. Come on, people. I'm not biting ya, am I? Or is that just because I started a bit earlier than people expected? I'm like, well, the reason why we started early is because I have more energy now, and by every minute I'm live, I'm deteriorating. My brain is getting fried every minute, so that is kind of where we are at the moment. Sorry for mentioning that too many times. I'm not going to mention it any more times. If you are a seller, by the way, you need a lower low, lower high situation. That is possible, but not at the moment, not today. You need a break below, and you need to have a reversal. You don't have a reversal right now, so you have to wait very much. And this is total kaput at the moment. So yeah, no worries. You don't do anything here. At the moment, whatever I'm saying in this live is only for education purposes, not financial advice, and whatever I'm saying is only my personal opinion. Whatever I say is for my own good, but I'm trying to tell you what technically can happen in the market wherever I feel like is going to happen next. That is the next resistance that I see. I see that we have broken a high here, higher than here. That is a reversal. Higher high, higher low. Is it regressive? Yes, it is regressive. So price can, in theory, at least go down to 1583, 1562, and then go higher. Do you want 1562? Absolutely not. So what I really want to see is just boom, higher on the open. Is that possible? I don't know, but that's what I'm playing. I have buys there, by the way. Where do I have buys? Oh, I have buys there. Is it 1580 area? Yeah, 1580 area. So I haven't put them to break even yet, so it's still there. If you are calling me a fool, I know people do call me a fool, I don't like selling here. If I'm supposed to sell something or anything at all, I need a lower low. And if you're going down to 1400 anyways, we need to break lower. So we will do so. Just says Silent. Say no more. Okay. Euro New Zealand, we will do so. Euro USD looks for sells. Yeah, but I don't like wherever you are right now, mister. Why do I not like where you are right now? It's because you have a potential higher high here, which is very legitimate as a buyer. You have a range. So, oops, sorry. I'm going to take away so I can make nicer charts. We have a range on the 1 hour. So, sure, you can sell it. But I have a strange feeling that we're going to kick off this one instead. I don't know where wherever investor joins in this game. Let me see. Has he posted anything lately? I don't think he posted anything lately. That is euro dollar, and he talks about right shoulder, and he talks about selling from 1625, I think he sold from. Okay, so he sold the top here ish, but I think that's aggressive, so that's okay. Euro sell at 1625. That is a bust, by the way. So don't, not financial advice whatsoever. Just saying that is what he wants to do. Swedish 30. German MCAP. Okay, interesting. Please, Guri, we are listening. I'm trying to talk as fast as I can. As far as our position on NAS, I think it will peak around end of deck in January. Okay. Is it safe to keep it until then, or do you think stocks will start tanking sooner? You have... Okay, I'm not going to be... I was about to say, hey girl, please get ahead of the window. That is Gabriel Iglesias. Please take your head out of the window. That is a Gabriel Iglesias reference there. Anyways, you have a November 3rd FOMC meeting as staring in your face about future bullishness. I hope that you have done your analysis. I'm going to tell you what analysis you need to make if you are in the stock market, forex market, commodities market, any markets out there. You have to Google tapering QE programs of the past. Maybe that doesn't necessarily tell us something about the future. We have had 3 or 4 QE programs in the past. I'm telling you, do the research. Now, that will tell you what to expect about the market whenever it is confirmed, whenever Fed is going to start tapering. It might not be big, but it is. Tapering is a change of policy, no matter how, no matter what, how you look at it. And it is gonna affect these markets, S&P, Nasdaq, and Q, I would call it nowadays. That will do the Dow. That will affect the dollar, the yen, the euro, the pound, the New Zealand, the Aussie, the forex market, FX market, that is equities. It will affect the bond market directly. It will move over to the commodities. Commodities will also move. Okay? So the question becomes, ladies and gentlemen, which direction? How strong? I have already done the analysis for the mentorship students on the yen. I am yet to continue on the other pairs, and I'm yet to do a whole lot of other things that I need to do. But generally speaking, you need to do that research. Okay? Cool. Thank you. I'm holding pound dollar. Okay, cool. Longs. Please have a question. Good day. How do I catch a rocket shot? Shoot. JK Marcus, sorry, not JP Marcus. Okay. How do you catch a rocket? I think you need to talk to Kim Jong-un. That is how you can, and you can ask him when is he gonna fire the next rocket. I think that is what you're gonna see next. Okay. If there's other rockets, like market rockets you want to catch, you need to find, let's say, days of the year that market is most likely to rocket. Most pairs that's likely to rocket. And okay, I'm just gonna cut straight to the case, okay? I don't know. The rockets are there before you know it and after you don't know it. The market rockets happens when you are trading your setups, when you are trading your normal game, and that the market rockets with you. Okay? So you need to trade your setups, your swing setups, and that's gonna lead to your rocket moves. Was the Aussie yen move higher unprecedented, untouchable? Was it not possible at all to trade? It was very possible to trade if you had conviction in this area, okay? And especially at what prices needed you to have bought. Well, there is this price at 79.95 and at 80.62. That is the prices you should have bought. Now, the market rocketed, nobody knew, but that is the consequence, the result of your consistent trading on buying Aussie yen in bullish markets in the October month. Hello, Maxi. Okay, that is my response. People caught that one. I caught some of it, and I'm very angry about not catching the whole thing. But that's my learning. I need to work on that, and that's me. Pound dollar. I think we're still gonna move higher this week. We can look for 136.97 to be a buy, or 136.58 to be a buy. And you're wondering, is this bearish? Not at all. Has it reversed? Not at all. Can it reverse? Absolutely. That is a market update we need to do throughout this week that you will also be a part of when you are joining the daily setups together with me and a couple of people who already joined. So I'm really happy about that. I didn't know there was a market for it, but apparently there's a market for it. And I don't have any reviews for it. I can't really tell how is it. I haven't really tried it before, but I hope that we will put up some fantastic trades in there. So yeah. Anyways, I would predict the market rockets. If we could predict the market, we would be millionaires. Yeah. That is what I would agree upon. If you look at pound yen, for example, let's go through some other markets that wasn't this year because we didn't catch it that much. Is this a rocket? Maybe. Is this a rocket? Is this a rocket? Is this a rocket? Is this a rocket? Maybe. Yes. They are all bullish trends starting. They're all bullish trends. They're all bullish trends. And they're all bullish trends that at some point started out with double bottom, higher high, higher low. That's where it started. Okay. Now, was it easy to catch it? Probably not. Is this a niche market? Probably not. But that's where your process comes in. The process, I guess that is process, is gonna set you free. Okay. That's the only thing I can tell you. Why? Because I don't know when it's gonna happen. 2, I don't predict rockets. 3, I have catched those rockets, but it was through my process. If you're wondering, did I catch this rocket here? Okay. Did I catch, what's the other one? 20. Did I catch this rocket? Yes, sir, I did. Did I catch this rocket? Yes, I did, sir. So it's all about process. Denny says you should go out 200 pips on pound. Yeah, fantastic. Congratulations, lady. Bert Jones says, good afternoon, brother. Glad to join in. How long have you been streaming? We have been streaming for 24 minutes at the moment, and I'm still alive. So yeah, where we did pound dollar, I think we did that. I mentioned the prices, the direction, pound yen. Okay. I'm just gonna say one small thing. Okay? What is your process? Okay? What is the market you want to trade to make money? Mondal says, I love to see you live. I haven't seen you around, Mondal, so very much welcome. Have a subscription. I love that. By the looks of it, you already subscribed. Yeah, nobody subscribed today. Okay, cool. Okay, I don't know these Streamlabs things. Sometimes it tells me somebody subscribed. Sometimes it doesn't tell me that somebody subscribed. So, anyways. So, if you guys subscribe, please sometimes tell me. Anyways. So, pound yen. Maybe 156 area to 156.50. 155.50, sorry, is the area I would love for price to go before going higher. Market doesn't need to do anything. It can just go boom, and then boom, and then boom, and then it can do whatever it wants to do. The other question is, what if it just drops all the way down to 154 and you bought at 156, 155, 154 and you are in 300 pips in loss? Is that where you're supposed to be buying? I'm going through some of my trading history this weekend just to see how good of a trader I am. I have bought places like this, plus places like this, and places like that. So the third attempt I gained, but I have gone loss before I gained. Is this going to happen this time around as well? I don't know. So what am I going to say? Risk equals 100%. Okay? So I want price to be down in this area here. Sorry, here. And we shall see if I get it. Do we have a higher high? Do I buy the per big pullback? I don't know, maybe. Am I going to sell it? No. I'm not going to sell it. Am I going to buy it? Probably not. I'm probably too afraid. Probably too scared. Because it's normally what I don't do in the market anyways. Because it's not a part of my process. So I shouldn't. But you know, FOMO, you know. It screams FOMO at the moment, okay? Good. Hit the like button, says Bert Jones. If you have been here before and if you're new, keep watching. I'd then like to subscribe. Evan is a good at what he does. Not only that, but I try to make you happy, okay? I try to make you happy. Both in your trading account, in your wallet, and in your heart, and in your soul. Okay? Get on that. And New Zealand, maybe we can call back at 70 up to 71.50. Maybe not. Maybe this is also very strong at the moment. I would love a deeper pullback though. But what if we just get a break higher? Boom, 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 and then we hit here on Wednesday. Is that great? And then we can fall? Yes, mate. I think that whatever current market moves we have is borrowed dollar bearishness or borrowed New Zealand bullishness. I think it's just, well, let's see how this goes. Because I believe that buyers and sellers, what do they need to do? They need to make profits to tell Santa Claus that they were good also this year at doing whatever they're doing. Okay? So, there is going to be a bullish trend. I just don't know how far along it's going to be. If this was the trend, then this was the trend. Then we couldn't do anything more other than be a buyer at support. Well, that's long time now gone. Buyer at support, well, it's long time gone now. Buyer at support. That is what we need to do. And if you see the prices, congratulations, you have eyes. And if you're not, it is 70-20. up to 71.60. Okay, good. And I will do USD CAD, and then I will start doing random things along the way. Okay, I think that is great. Why didn't you get a weekly forex forecast in video form today? I'm sorry. I just didn't have the energy. It is what it is. So 24.27 is probably a better price to sell USD CAD at, but this one is strong, ladies and gentlemen, strong. I don't know where the end is, but maybe 22.66, 65 is the end. Who knows? But Bird Jones, where are you from, bro? I know. I think I should know, but I don't remember. Everything is wiped out today. My brain is like, what do you call it in English? I can't even remember it. Like this one. What do you call this one? Can somebody tell me what this was? This is how my brain feels like at the moment. It's like it's it's what my grandma was eating, and she gave me this one with some kind of compote, which is kind of like a sugar syrup thing. Let's see, sviska compote, and then with whipped cream, kind of like this. So yeah, this is grandma style. Anyways, kind of like that. Let's kind of hopefully see what happens there. Euro New Zealand, high hits target, and Baltimore, Maryland. All right, so you're American. Okay, good. Then I know you. Was it James who said that you're looking for reversals here? I can't remember what the seasonality on Euro New Zealand was last year. So it's around 18th of October. Is that supposed to turn around then? I don't know. Let's go and check. Because I was very good at the seasonality last year on this thing, and it went absolutely fantastic. Yeah, that could actually be the bottom. 13th. What's, I can't even see that behind my stuff here. If you're wondering, there is actually a new placement of a camera. That means there is more boxes in my way. That's what you do. Google. Okay. Yeah, maybe. This is the bottom of Euro New Zealand. But you also have to look into mostly New Zealand and where New Zealand is going to go at the moment. So until New Zealand starts weakening, then this one is probably start turning around. And where is America coming from? I think that is I don't know. Is it it's not like Bush, but it's more like well, there's this character, like redneck character that my wife kind of looks into. I don't know what it's called, but like his most common phrase is like, "Get out of my property," and he shoots everything, you know. Anything that moves. Southern state kind of a dude, you know. Get out of my property. Anyways, it's just a stereotype having fun. Don't worry, people. Don't be soft. Other than that, yeah, okay. I can look for a reversal on New Zealand. You're New Zealand. You need to have a reversal. Lower double bottom, higher high, higher low situation. You have to break above this one before you can buy it. But yeah, that happens. All right, and then what else? Gold and silver. Somebody asked about. Yeah, of course we're gonna do gold and silver, pound, yen, and US oil. We can go to US oil at the moment. Okay. So, what's going on here, bro? Are we going to $1,100 per barrel? Yes, we are. When? I don't know. What is happening in the market of commodities? We have Crisis! What is happening? What is happening? Where is supply? Supply equals low. Demand. What is that? Oops, that was wrong. That was a bit late. Equals high. What happens to price? Price equals. For those who has done economics, what happens to price? Question mark. It goes boom higher. So everything is kind of putting higher on the US dollar. Too many devices at the same time. I think I need to send. That's weird. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Anyways, people. News on New Zealand tonight. Yeah, there is. Do you take into consideration the monthly targets? Absolutely, JK. Absolutely. They are my gods. You're stating facts. I don't get the birders, man. I don't get birders. Well, people do get birders about facts, by the way. If you use the facts wrongly, why would I care? No, I do care, and I'm not a Karen. Even that's facts, right? So 81.57 is a new buy entry for this week. I don't know if I will ever hate it because it didn't last week. It did that week and not that week. So great. I probably will go through this on the daily setups more than what I'm doing here right now, but hit target at least. So hopefully we can get some pullbacks. But if not, just gonna continue up to 84.15 this week, and straight to the moon. Straight to the moon. Straight to 100. I don't know if 100 is gonna be resistance though. Is there plenty of resistance before that? Absolutely. Where is it going to be a resistance, do you think it's going to be? I think it's going to be resistance at... Well, there was supposed to be resistance at 77. That happened. And this one is 85. The next one is 1990. So 85 and 90 is pretty resistance-ish. And then we're going to go to 100. Big Dog asks about a black swan. Do I see that coming in block? First of all, Mr. Big Dog, a black swan event is not a black swan event if you can predict it. Then it's no longer a black swan event. Okay? Then it is an unforeseen event. Okay, I have my master's degree. Don't worry about it. I have done my research. Cheers, mate. The other one is, do I see it coming? Is it possible that we can see a crash in the market that nobody saw coming? Yes. Market can, for some absolutely mongo reason, fall. Because they got scared, and then stop losses getting hit, and then yes, that can happen. Do I want it to happen? No. Do I prepare for it? Stop losses. Do I trade it? No. Do I think it's gonna happen? Black swan events has come into the markets from time to time throughout the years. So they're never ruled out. But you're talking about, I don't know what the percentage is. Is it 1%? Is it less than 1%? Events. And that is not where my strategy and my market conditions are not based upon those markets. So, do I have a strategy for it? No. So, cheers. But is there coming a correction whenever we have confirmed when we're going to taper and when we are going to increase our interest rates? Absolutely yes. That's not a crash though. That's not a black swan. But that's, everyone knows that it's coming. And if you are not smart enough to prepare yourself for that, then so be the losses in your trading account. And it's not going to happen, boom. But it's happening gradually. And then one day, whenever that is confirmed, it's going to be a bad day. And it's going to continue to be a bad day. And it's continue to be a bad week. And it's probably going to be a bad month. Generally speaking. But market will come back up again. And it will make higher highs. So don't worry. Gold. Okay, let's go on the higher time frame. We all understand what this kind of market condition is on gold. That is a range or reversal, by the way, and then a bigger high time frame range. I don't trade ranges. Good on you. Do you trade ranges? Good on you too. 4 hour. What is this? Range. Price breaking out. Price breaking lower. And I have said for the millionth time, gold is fundamentally plus technically bearish. So, you can then join the manipulation or manipulation. I can't type it. Manipulation. You can join the manipulation or you can be the wrong side of manipulation. When do you know you're on the right side of manipulation or the wrong side of manipulation? That is if when you go to your P and L in your trading account. That is when you're on the right side or wrong side. Do you know when the manipulation is going to happen? No. Most likely in New York session. But it can also be in London session. In thin markets where the Chinese are not there. It's about many possibilities. And do these manipulation people look at technical analysis? I doubt that they have that in mind. I think that they have a couple of things in mind what they are looking into. They're looking into liquidity. They're looking into stop loss of the market. They're looking into what is their fundamental bias for the future. And 4, how do we through this trading do we protect our own money, and how do we keep the prices stable enough, at least because if you make it too much, market participants are going to go away because they want gold to be stagnant, flat, because there's no interest rates on it. There is no gains other than market move. Okay, so you want to know what that was? Liquidation. You know what that was? Stop loss. Do you know what that was? Not stable pricing. Did it protect your capital? I don't know. What happened afterwards? They bought it. What happened afterwards? Well, they flipped the market again. But yeah, anyways. Gold. How to trade gold? There is no direction, so I really can't trade it. And you probably should have sold up here. You probably should have sold here. You probably should have stop loss here. And you're just looking for lower lows and lower highs and look for it to go lower on a more larger scale. Are you going to day trade it? No. Are you going to swing trade it? Yeah, maybe. Are you going to monthly trade it? That is more likely what you should do. Is it a good trade opportunity? No, it's terrible. It's pretty down in the bucket. Sunadeep says, Eivind, I took a direction by via CO2 port. Is it good? Yeah, sure. What's your direction? I'm sorry if I'm getting tired. I also stutter. Silver. Same bucket. Maybe not as much the same bucket, but still bearish. Fundamentally. But yeah. But yeah. Has some buys in here. Great. Went down to 21.50. It seems like somebody wanted that price. Can go higher. Yes, sure. Go on to go lower. Sure, yeah. So where's it going to go? I don't know. I don't really care two hoots. What does the market tell me? What does the price action tell me? Well, this was the first resistance. This is the second resistance. So if it's going to go down from here, that's where it's going to go down from. And if it goes up from here, okay, cool. Then we have buys. Then you should have bought there. And you should be in profit. And if it goes higher, then you're winning. And if you don't win, then you have your stop loss at break even and everything is okay. That's where you should be. I don't know what you do with silver. I don't know how you do silver. But that's kind of what you should have done. Now, how do you move that into your actual trading? You need to create a process. That's the word today. I'm going to just create a process. CCF alongside. Have fun with that. I don't have any opinions on Swissy. What else? I will go back to people who have asked for something. There we go. Okay, we have the New Zealand, Baltimore, Crazy Energy. Thank you very much. Happy to see you live. Good evening, brother. Pound dollar, we did so. Nasdaq, we did so. Just says Swedish 30 for whoever doesn't know Swedish 30. Swedish 30 ish. What is the acronym for it? Or Swedish index maybe? Swedbank. I know we have that in Norway. And OBX. Is it SPX maybe? That is something totally different. Okay. Anyways, I can't find it, bro. And the only MCFP I find is in America, but okay. Mango Capital. Anyways, that was at least a try, Josh. Unless you have something better to say. Sorry if you have, if I'm wrong. Euro New Zealand, we can look for reversals on Euro New Zealand at the moment. It's not bullish at the moment, so you just need to be patient. Maybe throughout the day, tomorrow is gonna change around. Aussie Swissy looking for buys. Yeah. Can you just leave Swissies, Mr. Guy, Mr. James? I don't think it leads to any positivity. I'm giving you a different advice since you're in a different group. Yeah, you can. It's technically correct. Fundamentally, probably also correct. Okay, maybe at 68.24, but don't come crying to me because I said that I don't think it's a good idea. To trade Swissies, you have been burned on Swissies, and I think there's a reason why you were burned on Swissies. So I think we just leave it alone. The direction of the PMs this week may signal a break of unknown information about the next block swan. I've seen some conspiracy theories that Queen Elizabeth II is gonna perish on Monday. Ulf Eriksson. Jättebra att ha det här. Good evening, Michael. Thank you very much, Big Dog. Not found for Stockholm, okay. But yeah. Yeah, sorry. That was my brain fart. And the exit. Yeah, my brain is really fried at the moment. Jesus. Yeah, I guess what next? Okay. But yeah, 14,976 and 14,884 is kind of the next buy prices I'm looking for next week. I don't know if I will ever get it, but that's at least what I'm hoping for. No, I said conspiracy theorist, Antonius. Bert Jones asked about broker. You're American. Okay. I can think of someone. I'm not initially said I'm not anything about. I'm not sponsored to mention Oanda or Vantage. That's in Australia. Or FX Pro. I use Trader's Way, which is overseas and not regulated. I'm trying to go away from those. That's at least what I kind of have something to say about. But I have a lot of beef on XM trading, forex.com, binary.com, hotforex, markets.com, IC markets, terrible. Pepperstone, I can't remember why I went away from them, but there is a reason for that one too, I guess. Yeah, they went away from Australia. They're no longer in Australia. They are in Seychelles or Maldives or something. The European clients was moved away from Australia, I guess, because Australia started becoming a bit more tougher on the forex brokers accounts, that they had to move them around. So and they didn't want to be in Australia anymore. What else? Who else do I have a beef about? Plus 500. Terrible. But yeah, personal experiences. Either they have scammed me, or have terrible spreads, never, or had so terrible spreads that never put me into my trades, or they refuse to pay out money to people, or me. Or they have a terrible long process of getting your money out. It's very easy to get it in and terrible to get them out. Or just having wicks and prices that nobody else in the market has. Carforex.com. They're like the other market doesn't have so high price on USO, for example, at that time when I looked at them, and I'm like wondering why. So they would stop hunting. And there's also brokers out there that trades against the traders, right? So You're very much welcome. You're very much. As I would say, Ulf, vær så god. Yeah, okay, it's OMX 30. Okay, for the also stock exchange index. Thank you. Okay. Those are at least the ones that I'm thinking about, generally speaking, on the top of my brain. But we have my email somewhere on this YouTube channel, and you have my Discord. So, your choice. I'm not gonna drink coffee at 9 p.m. People stop me. Why is nobody stopping me? Why is everyone wanting me to drink coffee at night? Okay. Okay. A bit of a harder fall on the stock exchange in Stockholm. In Sweden, hopefully some pullback to 22.79. That looks like a quality pullback there. I don't know if it's going to be fast or hard or never come there. That's the other question. But yeah, it looks like a quality thing. So what I do on stock exchanges, Mr. Ulf, is that I go to bullish and then on monthly. And if you're wondering to find my strategy, there is a video on that one. And to find these indicators, there's also that one on that one. So I would at least on Nasdaq and S&P 500, I am blindly buying every month, putting in orders slowly, at the very beginning of every month. And then sometimes it goes well, mostly it goes well because it just increases, generally speaking, and sometimes it's just a wick, sometimes it's also just a wick, sometimes it's just a whole candle in there. But okay, cool. And then as you go higher, you're just adding, and then when you have a lower like this, then the question is, do you stop loss, take a profit, or do you wait for it to fall down again? That's kind of what you need to do as a trader. That's kind of depending on your process when you have a lower low there. But other than that, we're back to buying now. So yeah, great. I don't know what the seasonality on the Stockholm Stock Exchange is, but this is all index trading, buy and hold and forever forget kind of a thing. But also in that month of September, it went all the way back down to May, so that was pretty nice. Also, do remember, generally speaking, in the stock market rises, generally speaking, from October, in my view at least, from October until April/May. And then from April to October, it goes absolutely zero. Which happened this year? Funny you might ask. It went back to 2,200. Okay, cool. It is what it is. Yeah, I know, but I want to sleep as well. Because tomorrow, people, for those 21s who still bothered to be here, I'm gonna be live not on my YouTube channel tomorrow. I'm going to be live on Trader Nick's channel tomorrow. Trader Nick on YouTube at 1 hour later than I normally do. So it is 3 p.m. Berlin, Oslo, Stockholm time. Is it 10 a.m. EST or something? Sure, it is somewhere out there. So that's where you will find me tomorrow. Yes, in the Discord channels, I will send you out, and I probably will send out some in the community tab as well on my YouTube channel, just to make sure that everyone follows, because I want people to come over there and, we need to make some noise. We need to, say where we're coming from. We need to, be patriotic of where we are from, right? But yeah, got to go, Wolf. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening, bro. Have a nice evening. So yeah, that's kind of what I want to say about that. But hopefully you learn something else. about that, about strategy and how to strategize yourself, and not necessarily taking everything for. Even though from May, June, July, August, September is probably not the best month to be like very aggressive, but we're getting into something. Victor says 9 a.m. EST. I'm sorry, but yeah, it will all be out there. So if you are subscribed to Cheddar's Nick channel, you will be notified, and if you're subscribed to my channel, I will probably tell you somehow, somewhere, in some way. I lie, you are so late. You're so late that you're so late that your mother didn't have time to push you out. Anyways, that was a bad one. Yeah, he's going. Yeah, taking over his channel. Yeah, he's going for a vacation or something like that. So Nick himself said that in a live on Wednesday, I think it was, that yeah, what if Ivan takes over, kind of a thing. And then I was like, did you joke, or did you actually, were you serious about it? So yeah. So generally speaking, he has 500 people on his lives. Started at 200. So I don't know if I will ever get there though, but that would be fun. I'll be good. So yeah. So don't take it so badly. Yeah, some people of you just need to put up an alarm every Sunday. Okay? Alarms, that's what they're used for, right? I know that kids are screaming, wives are screaming, husbands are screaming, partners are screaming, and whatever else you have. Girlfriends are screaming, sorry. Boyfriends are screaming. But I understand life comes in the way. But I'm glad that you're here. Hello, Vilti. Vijamantan? I guess you are. Yeah, I think I said that right. Viljan. Vijantan. I am so bad at that. Sorry, don't be offended. I tried. Yen pairs. Where are we? Where are we gonna go? Lower and then higher. It's a wild, right? It's a wild one. So I think I'm just gonna jump over those. So what is my expectations for this next week? I'm expecting dollar bearishness, hopefully for a week, and then I am expecting dollar bearishness this week, yen bearishness-ish, hopefully. I think it will change for each day, and then I am expecting that stock market is gonna rise. I'm expecting commodities to rise at least by the end of the week. There is nothing much on the calendar for this week. There is some PMIs, there is something. Not really much. I have told you to use this week to go through analysis of what has happened previously when it comes to tapering, end of QE programs on the dollar, what has happened when they start increasing interest rates, what happens to the dollar, what happens to the dollar. That's where the Monday chart is coming up. And last time in 2014, they spent 1 year, 9 months, something like that, from announcing until they started. Okay? Great. Everybody's screaming. Nick is in Iceland. Ah, that's nice. It's not too far. I should have gone to Iceland myself. Then should have joined them in. It's pretty fun. I didn't know that, but yeah. USD not really entertaining at all. Just range bound entertainment. No, not really much. Okay, cool. That's resistance, I guess. Sell. That is potential buy, I guess. So sure. Where's it gonna go? I don't know. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Ten-year T-note, pull back to break even. Pull back to previous support. Sorry. USD yen. I know people have been here. People have been trading this one. I'm like, what's going on? Whoa. But yeah, probably. Navan, are you still in Kenya? Yes, I'm still in Kenya. But shouldn't be done too bad to be up in Norway sometime soon. For those who's wondering, like, what the difference is right now, temp Oslo, I guess it is. Right now it's only 4 degrees in Oslo, Celsius, and 39 Fahrenheit. And where I am, it's night though, but it's in Nairobi. I have 19 degrees, and apparently it's raining outside. I didn't know that. Oops. But no, it's not raining in Nairobi. Stupid ass. But anyways, so do I want to be in like 27 degrees, which is, I guess, 80 degrees Fahrenheit? I like that. I like that more than being in 4 degrees in rain. And I saw on a TikTok live on in Tromsø, there is snow. So yeah, cool. Good. Did you do gold? Did you do gold? I did gold. Yes, I did gold. Other than that, if you become a YouTube member, you can access a fundamental analysis live that I did earlier today. If you are a daily, well, there is people who said they're going to join in on the daily setups. I don't know if I'm going to close that, so it's only in the weekends you're allowed to join, so that throughout the week you have the same results that I have throughout the week. I have seen a few people joining in. Not as many people as the Daisy, who said they were going to join in. But yeah. But yeah, that's at least that. So I'm just mentioning that, and then I'm probably going to do something about that tomorrow. But other than that, I think I've talked enough. I have babbled enough. And pound Aussie, probably something to look into. Was it a reversal there, lady? Yeah, sure. That's a possibility as well. It's a possibility. Higher high, higher low. Need to break that high and then continue higher. Sure. It's possible. I don't know if it's fantastic, but it is. It's better than nothing. Okay. Yeah, it's a lower low though on the central pivot. But maybe you can get a break higher. Maybe you can break higher. Yeah, of course that is gonna come, Denise. Of course that's gonna come. In Arizona, in the desert. Of course you're gonna bring me and say, hey, it's 80 degrees over here. Look at that. Yeah, but I envy you. I envy all the things in this world that you can be given to get with all your cats. AZFX says Euro Aussie. So, Mr. AZFX, please tell me, are you going to buy this one or are you going to sell this one? That is kind of the you have to, when you come to my live, and also if you're going into that section of it, please tell me your trading plans. You need to give me a direction. Where do you think it's going to go? What do you think for the market? And no, do not send me charts like, let me see if I can find one from this guy. Where is Picasso? Yeah, this is probably one. Copy image link maybe? Is that possible? Anyways. Let's see if I can do that there then. Yeah, like this. That's too much, bro. That's too much. That's too difficult for me to read, okay? This is also too difficult to read. This is Picasso, okay? This is not what we do. How do we do this? How do we show Eivind how to put out a trade plan? This is getting better, Abbas. And then lately you sent me this one. Yeah, it's getting better. It's getting better. A bit better. But yeah, still very messy. Hello, Barbara. You're looking to go long. Bert says, I am currently saving for your 6-month mentorship. Don't worry, you will be seeing me soon. Yeah, it would be a lot of fun, bro. I'm looking to go long. Okay, then you need a higher high situation. We have to go above this price here, calling 57.14. You need to see a double bottom, which potentially can be this one. Higher high situation, higher low situation. Maybe 57 is your buy after you have a 1 hour to 4 hour reversal. There can also be a 4 hour reversal. That means this is then the double bottom. They need to break above this one again. There is it. So can you buy now? Buy? Question mark. Now? No, you cannot buy right now. You have a whole world to change around. How does a bullish trend look like on Euro Aussie? A Euro trend like this one. So that's double bottom, higher high, higher low situation, and then range, and then you go higher. That is kind of what you can do. And then if you're looking into more like this moving averages, that is not showing at the moment on my screen, you need to see a break of the 55, EMA, and the 21 to break higher, like here. That has not happened so far yet. So we need to see that one going higher, this one going higher, and then you use as a pullback, and then bada bim, bada boom. Click link, please. Where is the link I'm supposed to look at? Ali, where did you send it? You haven't sent the link here, so you have to send me in the Discord channel. How can I help you, Barbara? By the way. So, Mr. Eivindfx, you have a long way before this one is going bullish. So, if you're going to buy now, good luck. That is kind of what we'll have to say there. It's not that I don't believe in your trading skills or your personally or you as a person, but technically right now, you are too early. Straightforward. It's too early. So which link, mister? There's no link to click. I can't see the link in the chat. And probably Mr. YouTube has probably blocked it if you have sent. But other than that, is there anything else? Have you sent something here? No, you haven't sent something here. And I don't know where you are sending it. You are very much welcome, Eivindfx. Click the link. Click the like. Oh, click like. Oh, my brain is so fried, bro. Help me. Det mulig how blocked sometimes I can be. Anyways. You're a pound. Nobody asked for it, so I'm gonna do it anyways. It is up. Range bound, down, up, down. Oops, that was wrong. Down. Is this markets you can trade? Let's see. That's a buy. Buy. Stop buying. Buy. That's a very deep pullback. Buy. A very deep pullback again. Sell, 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 sell. So, this is maybe where you can make money. Sorry, over here. Up to here. This is probably loss. This is probably loss. Not because I'm saying that you're a not good trader. I'm just saying it's very boom and very directional, very strong in one direction and then back down again. So difficult trading, difficult trading, difficult trading. Same thing happened here. Very difficult trading. That's not market conditions I want to be in. Yeah. So this guy says click the like button, and I didn't know that. I'm sorry, bro. But there we are. Can you buy pound CAD? No, you cannot buy pound CAD. You can probably sell it at that price. Great enough. But you need to have a higher high, higher low situation before you can buy it. Denise told me go home. So, I'm gonna do this with you guys, okay? I'm here to help you out. I'm here to show you commitment to you as a trading community. I'm here to help you out with questions that you might have. We are currently 18 people. I have probably emptied my tank today. I'm sorry. That was little. But I do this to show you commitment. That I want to be with you, to help you out. If I was to choose 9 out of 10 times, I wouldn't have done this trading. Okay? I'm sorry for not being happy. I'm sorry for not laughing. I'm sorry for not making jokes. I will try to be that at live tomorrow at 9 AM EST. Whatever that is in your time frame. Okay. See you soon, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good night. Have a good day. Make trade plans. Put stop losses. Whatever I said today was only for education purposes, not financial advice. And I hope to see every one of you in the daily setups tomorrow. It's going to be absolutely fun. So yeah, have a good day. Boom.